In this episode, we got shipped away to Ha Long Bay, the world's most famous natural wonder recognized by UNESCO World Heritage. Cruising through Ha Long and Lan Ha Bay in Vietnam should be on everyone's bucket list. You can explore its peaceful emerald waters surrounded by countless small islands of various shapes and sizes. And we're starting our journey the best possible way with an overnight cruise with Capella. This is Capella Cruise, a 5-star luxurious cruise offering stylish rooms, a pool and a jacuzzi, and best of all, it has an actual water slide for sliding into the emerald water of Lan Ha Bay. Come on board to see what our overnight stay looked like. Unfortunately, the weather isn't the best. It's a bit cloudy. Actually, this is the best time to visit Ha Long Bay, this month and the next month, but we're so lucky with the weather, so...
We always bring the rain with us.
After completing the check-in, we left the Tuan Chau Pier for our cruise. I'm gonna take a spot for the view. Ta. Nice. Hello, Ha Long Bay. Finally here. The first impression of the cruise was incredible, but we couldn't relax just yet as lunch was already waiting. Matei is vegan and I eat mostly vegetarian, so they made sure here that we have special meals made just for us because buffet contains mostly meat, seafood, eggs, and meals like that. So we have special dishes so we can enjoy as well. There's a lot of food, so we won't be hungry for sure. Searching for a room. For some kayaking in Ha Long Bay. This has been on our bucket list for a while, and I have to admit it's pretty cool. I'm doing all the hard work.
I mean, I'm filming, so come on.
The highlight of the cruise was this giant inflatable water slide. Capella is one of the rare cruises that have it, and that's why it was a perfect fit for us. We slid down countless times. After an active afternoon, it was time for a peaceful evening with happy hour on the top deck while waiting for the sunset. Even though the sunset didn't happen, it was still incredible. Matei joined the cooking class where he learned how to roll perfect spring rolls. And now we're gonna eat them. He made some for me too. Shit. I like. You like? And then time for some more food. There's so much food here. I mean, look at this. It's all for us. Dessert time. After dinner, there were plenty of options available. Some joined squid fishing, there is a gym, karaoke room, or poker room available. Hi.
Hi.
Waking up to the most amazing view. We decided to skip the morning Tai Chi on the top deck as we just wanted to enjoy the views from our room. And it was well worth it.
Stay in there, stay in the morning, stay in the morning with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me.
It's time to explore some caves. Dark and bright cave. Let's go! Unfortunately, the water in the dark cave was too high to visit, so we only got to explore the bright one. Nonetheless, it was still a fantastic experience going through a cave and ending up in a small lake of sorts, surrounded by the high peaks of the Katba National Park.
Yeah. Wait with me. Oh my god.
After returning from the trip, we counted our last moments in our beautiful suite. Look at all these bubbles! Wow! Just wait, I have to show you how I do them. You press this. And voila! This is the best tub ever! Plus, look at the view! The real Halong Bay experience. So we're just checking out from this beautiful room and I'm so sad because like look at the view. Like everywhere. I mean come on. Here. Windows, windows and windows and then deck. And the bed and like everything is perfect. We loved it. I wish I can stay a month here. Our last meal on board. So before we leave, we have this wonderful brunch. We are just eating here. I'm gonna miss this view. We had a great time in Halong Bay and would repeat it any day. Bon voyage! Hey guys! So just a little backstory about this Halong video. Basically it was filmed in April 2021 when Vietnam was still closed for about a year and a half and Halong just opened up after a while of being closed as well. So we had a great experience there because we were one of the only tourists there. There were just a few boats. We were the only ones on our cruise. The only
foreigners.
The only foreigners on the cruise. And yeah, everything was much more relaxed and we had amazing experience. We're actually very grateful that we got to experience Halong this way, not so rushed and not so crowded as people usually experience it.
Yeah, unfortunately, right after the cruise, the Katba Island and the whole area around Halong slowly started closing down again. So the only thing we did, the area was basically the cruise.
Just the cruise, yeah.
Just this, yeah.
So at the end, we will have to come back to Halong, so we'll get to experience the other side of Halong as well. But until then, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Follow our journey.
Yes, and put that little bell on so you can be notified about all the videos we publish, not just from Vietnam, other countries as well. Bye, like and comment to grow this community.
Yes, what she said. That was my line. Bye.